We will be testing all the firearms, so before I do, I gotta unlock the guest room door. We'll be testing all firearms. I finally got a chance to do it. The dog's outside, so I gotta make this as fast as I can. But first, I gotta get the screwdriver again to unlock the door. I really don't want to, but we kind of have to. Because I got to go for all smoke alarms this time. Because it's the 2026 annual smoke alarm test. First, I gotta get this door to open. Okay, it's open. Dude is not going to like this. And I gotta go as fast as possible when I do this. Okay, so we got the screwdriver back in there. I'll lock the guest room later. Okay, we're about to be doing our monthly fire drill here. I gotta let her know. Judy, you need to go to the bathroom. I'm setting off the alarms. I didn't mean to say it like that. I meant to tell her she needs to back up off the house. Now, here's how we're going to do it this year. We're going to be, so I've been planning to try to do this annual test for like 3 months now. The full annual test. Dad's probably going to be upset that I tested all the smoke alarms. Judy, go! 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 She's gonna get scared. She's not gonna like this. Judy is not going to like this. So here's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna start with the lower stuff. I'm gonna prop you up where you can see the light turn off. Great. Ritwit's calling me. Nope, I'm not answering it. Bye. I'm not answering him. We're about to test the fire alarm, so if you can't see the light, oh well. I'm testing the unfinished part first. And then we're gonna walk around and make sure. I can't do smoke now. That won't be good. First, I'm gonna test this carbon dioxide up here. I actually need to come with the iPad to show you that part. First, okay, we're taking way too long. I need to speed things up. Okay, so first, before I do any test, we're going to test this spin up here. Here we go. Gigi is going to be scared. I don't want to keep her in the house. Oh my God, Ritwit, stop! Okay. Alright, guys. We're now going to be testing all the fire alarms now. For our annual fire alarm 2026 smoke alarm test. This is our full annual 2026 smoke alarm test. Judy is going to get scared. I'm setting this off in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright guys, we're not done. I'll let you hear the other speed. Judy is not liking this at all. Okay, now I'm gonna press this fire alarm next. I'll let you see the unfinished part and I'll turn the lights on so you can see it. Here's what I'll do now. I will put you where you can see the light turn off. I won't do that for all. Ritwit is not listening. I'm just gonna ignore him. He's being a bad boy right now. I'm not gonna listen to Ritwit. I need to make it faster. We're taking way too long. I don't know what I'm doing here. I cannot see. That's it. I'm gonna have to. Sorry guys, I cannot see it. This is not a good This is not a good room. Fire alarm's going off now again. Okay, I'll let you hear that one beep. I want to see. Okay, back up. And now these go off. It's gonna scare me. Alright, I want to see if that light thing goes up there. I did not see it. Oh well. Okay, we're doing way too slow. This is what happens when I do an annual test. I take way too long to do it. And I don't know how long I'm going to be able to get Judy to copulate. Alright. Now I got to figure out what alarm I'm going to set off now. Okay, I know. I'm going to do the kitchen. I'll take you to Mom's room. Yep, she's scared. She's scared. She's scared. She's not at the door. Hopefully she... Yeah, the alarms are still scaring her. That's why I wanted her outside. Okay, so you're going to hear my mom's room now. That's what alarm you're going to hear now. And then I will be pressing her room next. We're going to go check on the dog. If she's okay. Judy, yeah, it's going to be a long time. I have not done. Okay, next alarm. By the kitchen now. Putting you in the kitchen now. I'll be pushing this alarm next. A few more alarms to go. See, this is why I don't like doing I don't really like doing these annual fire alarm tests. Because it takes forever to go through all the fire alarms. Because I'm having to hold this. Okay, next alarm. I don't like doing this. But I'm doing it anyway for you guys. Glasses real quick, because I cannot see that I'm holding the button. We're not even done. You're not taking way too long to set stuff off. We're not done, guys. We still got more. Now I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, now I saw the carpet outside completely. Hey, it's done. Okay. Few more to go. See, they take way too long to... Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna set off next. We could do my room now, or we could do the guest room. I will not put you in Caitlin's room. I'll have to put you in between. My sister does not let me in the room, so I'm gonna have to do it anyway. I'm going to film, I'm gonna set this room off right now. The guest room that I was in earlier. Oh my gosh, bro. There we go. That, bro. And then now these ones. Heard the basement ones. I can hear the basement ones going off. Okay, now I'm going to set the, wait, I just did that room, I'm sorry. So I'm going to set the hallway off now, and you can hear this room. A few more alarms to go, and then I gotta give the dog a few minutes to settle down from her shake, because she's spooked. How do I press these buttons? I got the worst room ever. Okay, so we got that one done. I'm going to push Caitlin's room now. You can hear my room. 2 more alarms to go until we're finally done with our annual attack. And then we won't have to worry about doing those anymore until 2027. Then I won't have to do this anymore until 2027. Alright, I don't want to put my foot in my sister's room, so I'm going to do it through this direction. Dang it, this is why I don't like pushing these buttons. There we go, I pushed it now. Okay, now this will be, my room's gonna be the last button now. I'm only gonna put you right here. Caitlin won't let me do in her room. So you'll hear all smoke alarms from here, and then we're done. And then we won't have to worry about doing these annual tasks. This is the last smoke alarm of the night. Okay, that's it. We're done. Fire drill's over now after these carbon dioxide sound. Okay, we're done. That's it. I'm done. Oh wait, I want to hear. Okay, we're done. Now we'll wait for June to settle down first. Yeah, it takes me about 15 minutes.